Hi Stampers, it's Kristy here from KristyCoromandel.com and welcome to this month's class kit to go. I'm super excited to share this one with you because we're going to be exploring watercolouring. Now, watercolouring is actually one of the biggest trends in paper crafting at the moment, and there are so many techniques that actually allow you to incorporate these techniques and these looks into your projects without you requiring to be a painting expert. And in this month's class, we are going to be doing watercolouring using a blender pen. So one of these pens like here is called a blender pen, and I'm going to be showing you a couple of things. One is how to use a blender pen for your best results, how to watercolor using your blender pens and your Stampin' Up! Ink pads only. We're going to create how to create shading and depth by using just one ink pad. That's it. And we're going to create some shading and some depth and some contrast with that. So I'm going to show you some tricks with that. And plus a couple of other little tips and techniques as we go along. So these are the 4 projects that we will be creating. And we are going to be featuring this month the Birthday Blooms stamp set. So there are 3 options that you can choose from. So option number 1 is our all-inclusive kit. So that includes our stamp set, which is valued at $33. In clean mount, so you'll get the clean mount one. You'll also receive all the materials needed to create these 4 projects. Okay, you'll get those plus envelopes. You'll have access to an online forum, an online class featuring the video tutorials, my tips and tricks for using blender pens and watercolouring, plus your PDF handouts, so you can keep those in your inspiration folder for future reference. So the all-inclusive kit is $57 in total. So option number 2 is for those who already have the stamp set and they may just want the class kit itself. So the class kit will include all the materials needed to create these 4 projects with your envelopes, PDF handouts, access to our online class forum with our video tutorials and all our PDF handouts, plus all the tips and tricks you needed to create watercolouring projects using your blender pens. And this class costs $27. That also includes free shipping amongst all that as well. So there will be a couple of things that you will need to provide for yourself to create and finish your projects. So you will need a blender pen. You will need 4 ink colours. So we've got Calypso Coral, Pool Party, Pear Pizzazz, and also your black archival ink, plus your adhesive, which I recommend liquid adhesive and Stampin' Dimensionals. These are my recommended adhesives to use. And that's it. That's all you need to provide in order to have this class completed. And then option number 3 is our online class. So there's no supplies included in this class. This is purely an online version only. So you receive access to our video tutorials and also our PDF handouts. And that class cost is $20. So registrations open on the 30th of January and they will close on Thursday the 8th of February. This with an expected ship time of the 19th of February. So that will give me enough time to order the supplies, prep and cut all your kits and ship them out to you by the 19th of February. So follow the links below to purchase your class and I look forward to seeing you in class.